Science speaks, clinical reasons why acacia fiber beats psyllium husk. In the realm of health and wellness, fiber is a crucial component of anyone's diet. While psyllium husk has been a staple in the fiber supplement market for years, recent clinical studies are now highlighting the superiority of acacia fiber in several areas. Let's explore the science-backed reasons that support why you might want to make acacia fiber your preferred choice. Acacia fiber versus psyllium husk, a nutritional breakdown. Both acacia fiber and psyllium husk do an excellent job of increasing dietary fiber intake. However, science has revealed that acacia fiber might just overtake its counterpart in terms of benefits and bodily tolerance. Superior digestive tolerance. One of the key advantages of acacia fiber is its high digestive tolerance. A study published in the World Journal of Gastroenterology, WJG, suggested that participants who consumed acacia fiber experienced less gas and bloating compared to those who took psyllium husk. Acacia fiber's lower fermentation rate leads to a gentler increase in stool bulk, allowing for a smoother transit through the intestinal tract. Enhanced prebiotic effect. The research goes beyond just comfort. Acacia fiber has potent prebiotic effects, as noted in numerous clinical trials. It selectively stimulates the growth of health-promoting gut bacteria, such as bifidobacteria and lactobacillus, more efficiently than psyllium husk. This is crucial for maintaining a balanced gut microbiome, which is integral to overall health. Better blood sugar management. Clinical studies also suggest that acacia fiber has a more favorable impact on blood sugar regulation. This is attributed to its viscous, gel-forming properties that slow down carbohydrate absorption, helping prevent insulin spikes after meals. For individuals with diabetes or those working to manage their blood sugar levels, acacia fiber can be a beneficial dietary addition. Superior heart health benefits. The positive influence of acacia fiber extends to heart health as well. It has been linked to a more significant decrease in cholesterol levels, an associated risk factor for heart disease. Research indicates that the soluble fiber in acacia can help to bind to cholesterol particles, removing them from the body via the digestive tract. Easier to incorporate into your diet. Another clinical point in favor of acacia fiber is its ease of use. Unlike psyllium, which can become thick and gelatinous when mixed with liquids, acacia fiber dissolves cleanly with no thickening or textural change. This makes acacia fiber a perfect addition to any drink or meal with no impact on taste or consistency, enhancing compliance and long-term usability. Added weight management support. The role of fiber in weight management has been well documented, but acacia fiber is particularly proficient in this area. Clinical trials have demonstrated its capabilities in promoting feelings of fullness and reducing the urge to eat. By helping to control appetite naturally, acacia fiber can be an invaluable asset in any weight loss or maintenance plan. The nutritional takeaway. Acacia fiber's profile is not only impressive from a clinical standpoint, but it also aligns beautifully with consumer needs for a simple-to-use, gentle, and effective fiber supplement. With its ability to support digestive health, promote a healthy microbiome, aid in blood sugar management, contribute to heart health, and support weight management, acacia fiber stands out as a superior choice. Taking charge of your health with acacia fiber. Adopting acacia fiber into your daily routine can be straightforward. Start with a small amount, tracking how your body reacts, and gradually increase as needed. And remember, hydration is key when increasing fiber intake. For those looking to make a scientifically informed decision about their fiber supplement, acacia fiber is a compelling choice. It's not only about maintaining regularity, it's about overall health benefits that are backed by clinical research. Ready to experience the clinically supported benefits of acacia fiber for yourself? Visit our selection of top-quality acacia fiber supplements on your e-commerce website to find the perfect fit for your healthy lifestyle. Call to action. Choose the smart fiber alternative today. Explore our premium range of acacia fiber products and invest in your well-being now.